Hi there, in this class I am going to give you a complete overview of the WordPress dashboard in a simple and beginner friendly way. If you are new to WordPress, don't worry, I will explain everything step by step so you can easily understand how it works. First of all, what is front end and the back end? In WordPress there are two sides. The front end is what people see when they visit your website. For example, your home page, blog posts, or contact page. That is the front end. The back end is where you manage your website. This is also called the WordPress dashboard. Here you can create posts, pages, change the design, install plugin, and much more. Now let's take a look at the WordPress dashboard. When you log into your WordPress website, this is the first screen you see. Let's quickly go through the main options on the left hand side. The first option is dashboard. Here you can see how many posts, pages and comments you have. You can write a quick draft. It's just for saving post ideas. And you can see the latest WordPress news and updates. The next option is post. This is where you create your blog post. You can also manage categories and tags for your post. Media option. Here you will find all your images, videos and other media files. You can upload new images or use the existing ones in your posts and pages. The next option is page. Pages are the content like home page, about us, contact us. These pages usually don't change very often. The next option is comments. All the comments left by visitors on your blog post will appear here. You can approve, delete or reply to these comments. The next option is appearance. This is where you control the design of your website. Here you can install or change your theme, customize the layout and widgets and menu. The next option is plugin. Plugin help you add extra features to your website. For example, SEO plugin, security plugin, contact form plugin. There are thousands of free and paid plugins available. The next option is users. If you have a team or other people working on the site, you can add new users and assign them roles like administrator, editor, author, and more. The next option is tools. In the tools section, you can use options like import, export content, site health, and other advanced tools. Settings. This section is very important. Here you can control things like site title, tagline, time zone, reading settings, and permalinks or more. To summarize, the front end is your live website that your visitors see. The back end is the dashboard where you control everything. That's it. I hope this WordPress dashboard overview helps you understand how things work.